Hi everybody. Today we are going to demonstrate hstack and vstack in numpy. So for that, let us take array 1 with three values 10, 50, 100, and array 2 also with all the three values as 100, 500, and 1000. So there is a function called hstack in Python wherein we are going to stack the two arrays horizontally. For that, we are using np.hstack of what is the two arrays we need to stack. So array 1 followed by array 2. So which means both the two arrays will be put into a single array horizontally. Stack, which means the two arrays are stacked horizontally. So just to display them, we'll say that horizontally stacked arrays. So for that, as we have stored in h underscore array, we're going to do this. So similarly, there is one more function called as vstack, whereas it stacks the arrays in vertically. So vstack, we're trying to store it in v array. So let us run the program. So if you could see, these are the original two arrays with the three elements. So when you're doing it using a horizontal stack, they both got combined into a single array, which means they are stacked horizontally. So when you're going to do this using the vertical stacked array, sorry, this is a vertically stacked arrays. So if you could see 10, 50, 100 and 100, 500, 1000. So I hope you understood the difference between horizontal stack and vertical stack in NumPy. For more programs, please subscribe. Thank you.